In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Google form into a quiz and choose when to release grades. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings and which grading option best fits your needs, whether you're running a quick check-in or a formal assessment. First, open your Google form. You can use an existing form or one you've just created. Make sure you're in the correct account and looking at the form you want to convert into a quiz. Once the form is open, you'll see a row of tabs across the top of the editor. Look for the tab labeled Settings. It's at the top center, right next to Questions and Responses. Click Settings to open all the configuration options for your form. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Quiz. This is where you enable grading features. Click. Make this a quiz to turn your regular form into a quiz. When you do this, Google Forms unlocks options such as assigning point values to questions and using answer keys for automatic scoring. You don't need to set those up right this second, but it's helpful to know they become available as soon as the quiz mode is on. Next, scroll to the area called Release Grades. Here, you'll choose how and when your respondents see their scores. If you select immediately after each submission, respondents will see their scores right away. This is great for multiple choice or checkbox questions that can be graded automatically, and it gives instant feedback so learners know how they did without waiting. Just keep in mind that immediate release can also show them which questions they missed, and depending on your visibility preferences, the correct answers, which might not be ideal if others are still taking the quiz. If you choose later, after manual review, you'll release scores manually. This is the better option if your quiz includes short answer or paragraph questions that need your judgment, or if you want to check flagged responses and ensure partial credit is applied fairly. It also helps you control when correct answers become visible. When you're ready, you can return to the Responses tab to review and release scores in one go. That's it. Your form is now a quiz, and you've set when grades will be shared. Changes save automatically, so there's no extra button to press. From here, you can fine-tune points and answer keys, and then send out your quiz with confidence.